How to remove email address on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Facebook application, then tap on your menu bar from your top right corner. After that, go to settings. Now, scroll down and then go to how people find and contact you. You should find your email added over there, but if you cannot find it there, simply go to Account Center, go to See More in Account Center, go to Personal Details, go to Contact Info, and then select the contact info or the email that you want to remove, and then simply tap on Delete Email, confirm deleting, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.